You know how I said I was gonna stop the video and wait until I got to the campsite? Well, I shouldn't have said that. Snake! I'm gonna try to catch up. Let's see how it reacts. You gonna be a meanie, or you gonna let me catch you? Yeah, you're gonna be a meanie, aren't you? Ooh, step on the tail. Whoa, that's a feisty one, I think. Okay, got its tail. Oh yeah, that's a feisty one. Oh no. Whoop. Gotta get it just right. Gonna see, feisty. Oh, get away. Oh, careful, careful, careful. Oh, that's a feisty one. Gonna take off my shoe. Well, flip flop, and see. Ooh, feisty. Yeah. See, it attacked the shoe. Let's see if I. Well, I don't want to squish your head. Oh, careful. Oh, there we go. Got it down. Now, whoa. No, gotta stay down. Okay, setting the phone down real quick to get. Come on. Gotta get you to show your head again. It's going down in the grass here, so I'm gonna back this shoe up a little bit. Release. Come on. Come on. Back this up. Kinda dig with the shoe. Oh no, not that way. Not back. Kinda get you down. Okay, got it down. Let's see if I can get it. Got it. Okay, let's move the shoe backwards. Shoe in the, foot in the shoe. Shoe. Let's see. You yucking? You will be. Yep. Okay. Oh. Maybe not. Yuck or not? Well, yeah, doesn't seem to be yucking. At least that's what I call it. So, got it upside down. Oh, gorgeous. Come on. Ooh. It yucked while I had my foot on it. But look at that beautiful, gorgeous face. Ooh, tongue flick. It's wrapping around. Ooh, tightening itself. Ooh, opening its mouth a little. Definitely stinky. At least to some. To me, it smells awesome. Come on, let's see your head. We want to see your head better. Not upside down. Look, it doesn't want to turn its head for y'all. So I'm gonna do something kind of risky with a feisty one. Okay, let's see. Oh, whoop. No, I'm not letting you go just yet. Actually, let's go to the bench with this, which is over at the other place, the campsite. Oh, so gorgeous. I'm so happy. Wait a minute. Oh, just cold. So gorgeous. Actually, you know what? There's this here wall. It's close to where I caught this. Let's sit down over here. Preferably no stick tights behind my back. Okay. Now, let's get a good little thing of your face. first off, I'm gonna need to grab you using my other hand. And I'm gonna need to let you kind of slip a bit. Ugh. Come on. Either you're off. Come on. You're gonna do that, aren't you? Okay. Can we do this? Yes, we can. Oh no. Oh no. No. There we go. Boom. Now, let's. Whoop. Gotta be careful. There we go. Look at that gorgeous snakehead. Oh, come on. Oh, autofocus is off. There we go. And sorry about the fingers. Come on. Focus on the snaky head. Come on. You were doing fine earlier with focusing on it. Okay, before this snake gets tangled up in my cord anymore, my headphone cord, I'm gonna. Come on. Come on. What's doing your favor? Unwrapping you from my cord. Okay. Go ahead and wrap it on that arm. And boom. Okay. Let's see if it'll focus now. My thumb's shaking. There we go. Isn't that gorgeous? And it ain't wanting to bite me anymore. But oh my gosh. Ain't that just gorgeous? She a feisty one. At least I think this is a she. I have no clue. Come on, focus. They right here. Focus. Sometimes I hate autofocus and all focusing. There we go. Now ain't that just plain gorgeous? Autofocus is being a meanie. She's totally relaxed now. Which means that I can do this and show her off. Ain't she a beauty? And I can pet her. Gotta be very gentle with these beauties. I love snakes, if you couldn't tell. I mean, 9 minutes getting this here little one adjusted to my hand and arm and voice and all that. Oh, tilt of the head. I love snakes. Now would you focus on the snake itself? Okay, well, I think that's enough holding it. I do want to get a couple of pictures with it, so I'm gonna end this here clip here and take a couple pictures to post to MeWe, and then they didn't honk soon enough, or else I would have gotten the geese for you as well. But I'm gonna take a couple pictures with this here little beauty and then release her. Well, thanks for watching. See you in the next chapter, I think it is. No, part. This would be chapter 3, part 3, because I tried to end the video in just the right spot to have it be its own part without having to do sections and that, but yeah, it still ends up, I need to do a section 1 and section 2 for that, because it was about 8 minutes too long. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next part.